Woke up this morning and it is snowing outside, so I thought that I would take some deer bologna eggs and make some biscuits.
Before we start our biscuits, preheat oven to 425 degrees. Adding to a bowl 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add a tablespoon of baking powder. 6 tablespoons of really cold butter. I like to take my butter and grate it down to shavings as it is easier to mix. Next, add 3/4 cups of whole milk. If you don't have whole milk, 2% works just fine. Now mix all together. I really like to use my hands for this because I feel like the warmth of my hands really distributes the ingredients well.
Now I just place my dough on the counter, and I try not to handle it too much, so I just fold over maybe 3 or 4 times like this, and I make the dough about at least 1 inch thick before I start cutting it out.
Place the biscuits in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until the tops of the biscuits are golden brown. Guys, I don't know about you, but there is nothing like having fresh deer bologna on a cast iron skillet on this cold day. Oh, just nothing like it in the world. And there you have it. This biscuit breakfast is amazing. The biscuits are flaky and crumbly and just amazing. Hope you enjoyed.